Okay, got there in the end. So Mini 2 is being crashed. It's missing the front lens cover, although the lens is still okay. You can see it trying to do the little dance it does, but because I've glued the little legs back on just to give it some stability, it isn't doing that correctly, so it comes up with a gimbal stuck. All the arms are okay. The fuselage is damaged in various places, but it's generally just limited to the front or the top. Okay, so as you can see on my screen controller, which doesn't come with it, you're buying just the drone and the battery, it is recording the well, it is outputting image, but the gimbal isn't doing what it should do, which is making adjustments. Anyway, it does fly, so I'll just pop it down. Let's just spin it up, and there we go. So you can't adjust the gimbal, it says gimbal stuck. The satellite communication all works fine. And that's about it. So either break it up for spares or try and repair it. Thank you.